Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.
Today we have gathered here for the closing ceremony of the special camp organized for the age group of 6 to 12 years by Dr. Maxwell Trevor Cycling Welfare Association, and with the blessings of Cycling Federation of India. It is an opportunity, a great honor to have blessings of Cycling Federation of India and their consent for this camp. Claps, guys. And I would also take this honored opportunity to welcome our Honorable Chief Guest for today's closing ceremony, Shri P. Mallareddy Garu, Vice President, Cycling Federation of India and President, Telangana Cycling Association. Sir, most welcome. Shri R. Jaykumar Garu, IRS, Indian Revenue Services, Deputy Director Income Tax and a former national athlete. Most welcome, sir. The man behind this event, Dr. Maxwell Trevor, President, Maxwell Trevor Cycling Welfare Association, Member, Khelo India Talent Identification Committee. Shri Jagannath Das Garu, our Honorable Treasurer, Lorraine Trevor. Most welcome, Lorraine. Dr. Maxwell Trevor Cycling Welfare Association's Vice President, Shri Sanjeeva Reddy Garu. Most welcome, sir. Jean Trevor to please come on the stage. I welcome you. Paul is the Joint Secretary for Dr. Maxwell Trevor Cycling Welfare Association, ex-national cyclist.
K. Pasha, as General Secretary of the Dr. Maxwell Trevor Cycling Welfare Association, to please come on the stage. We started this camp to try and identify talent. But more than talent, we not only found talent, but we found a great bunch or group of people, of wonderful people, I must say. The parents, I don't know, I speak from my heart. Every single parent out here, you are just wonderful people. When we started this camp, we were wondering how we were going to handle such a big gathering of more than 50 children. But on the very first day, we realized that we are not alone. This became like one big family. I remember Arif said, Arif is one of the parents. He said, I thought I'm coming for a camp. But in a few days, I realized this is not just a camp, this is one big family. You see the ladies team out there, nobody has to tell them They just take over, they take the breakfast, they take care of the breakfast. They are all parents out there. If it was not for all you parents, this camp would never have been a success. I thank every one of you parents for your great support. And because of that, normally we give certificates to children. But this time we said, even as much as the children deserve certificates, I think the parents deserve certificates as well. So we have made certificates for the parents as well, in appreciation of all that you're doing. There are some parents here that come from Medchal, they come from Bharatnagar, they come from High-Tech City. Some of them start at 3 o'clock in the morning. They change to buses. Every day they've been here. If I ask them to stand, I think most of the parents are coming from these far off areas. Some of them are coming from Saket. Now if you consider all these areas, I think Saket is close. Bharatnagar, they change to buses. So we officially place on record and appreciate all the parents for your outstanding support, not only to your children, but to the academy. So I once again thank each and every parent here. I am really humbled by your support. You know, I always say this. Not one of us are on this planet by mistake. Not one of us are on this planet by accident. Not one of us are here just to occupy some space on this planet Earth. Not one of us are here to add some weight to planet Earth. We are here because there is a purpose in our life. And the purpose in our life is to be successful. Every one of us, every child here has a seed of potential on the inside of them. You know, a seed is a small seed, but it has great potential. If you take that seed and put it on the shelf, it will always remain a seed in the shelf. But if you take that seed and put it in soil, in fertile soil, it's just a matter of time before this seed starts developing and showing the potential it has. It grows into a big tree and becomes fruitful. I think by the children coming in this camp, you have sown the right seed. That seed of potential, that seed of talent that is on the inside of them, I think the parents have taken that seed and put it in the right soil. They put it in the fertile soil. It's just a matter of time before you see your child and that seed of potential on the inside of him grow into a big tree and be fruitful. You, every child, we are not on this planet to waste our time. We are not on this planet for nothing. We are here because there is a reason, there is a purpose, and that purpose is to be successful. No matter what you do, you are born to be successful. Every one of us are born to be successful. Let us make use of that great talent. Let us make use of this great gift of life, and let us show what that seed of talent can become in the future. I thank you once again. I thank all of you on the dais. Thank you, parents. Thank you, children. It was an honor and privilege for me to coach you, all you children. It was an honor and privilege. If nothing else came out of this camp, I think I met wonderful people like all you parents. So, it is from any angle, this camp was worth it. Thank you once again.
We have identified one of our athletes to be one of the promising junior athletes for the upcoming nationals and other international events is Arnav Chaurasia. He gets the most promising junior athlete award. I request Dr. R. Jaykumar, Shri P. Mallareddy Garu once again, and Dr. Maxwell Trevor to present. This trophy is in the memory of his late father, Shri R. Panikkar. Most promising junior athlete 2020 and 2021. Talk about Smriti. Smriti is from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. She has come all the way. She attended the Talent Identification Championship. She got medal in that championship and then she got selected for the special camp. They came all the way from Coimbatore. There was another athlete called Niranjan Devarajan who left 2 days before due to school constraints. But Smriti stayed back and wanted to finish the camp successfully. Thank you so much. I would like to also thank the parents of Spriti, Mr. Niranjan Devarajan.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Smriti Kumareshan from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity to speak. I take pleasure about speaking this camp in such a nice way where it taught me how to behave in a mannered way. I thank all are here because you are really hardworking. Mainly Maxwell sir, Lorraine auntie, Pasha sir, Pranay Anna from Jangam district, Arnav Anna and Rakesh Anna. You guys are really blessed to have Maxwell sir near. This is a great platform to me. We can't think of a coach more than motivating, patient and inspirational. You are truly the best coach ever. We are so grateful to be working with you. It is a blessing to have a fantastic and energetic coach like you in my life, sir. Thank you so much for this patience. I am deeply indebted to your diligent service. I know sky is the limit with a coach like Max sir. Here you train for more golden trophies for the upcoming season. Thank you for training me as a capable athlete. Last but not the least, practice makes a man perfect. Do practice every day. My wish is to become a Telangana rider. Few words about Pranay Anna. He is a kind-hearted person who never gives up in any situation. He is a humble person. He is a multi-talented guy. So credits goes to Maxwell sir and Basha sir. Thank you so much.
And give a big applause to this young girl who gave an inspiration speech. We have 30 years of experience. This girl didn't have any experience, and I would request all the parents to allow the children to talk in a stage where can you remove your stage fear. Remove it. You can be bold. You can be fearless. I want you to be Shruti. All of you. Shruti in a start, then Maxwell Trevor. Step by step.
With this team, with the support of this team and my secretary Dattatreya, in road race, state road race championship is going to be organized by the Maxwell Trevor. We are handing over the another responsibility to him to organize state road cycling championship during 6th and 7th of this next month, and we will have two age groups, one is 8 and 10. And definitely we will give award for the winners in that championship. Thank you.
To Sri Maxwell Trevor, President, Dr. Maxwell Trevor Cycling Welfare Association. Dear Sir, I am pleased to inform the President, Dr. Maxwell Trevor Cycling Welfare Association, that the Inter-District Road Cycling Championship 2021 is allotted to your organization. They have requested us to prepare for conducting this championship for the welfare of the cyclist at large, smoothly and successfully from the 6th and 7th of November 2021. Sri P. Mallareddy, President, Telangana Cycling Association. Thank you very much, sir. 6 to 7 year boys, third prize goes to Prajwal. Yeah. Chetan Reddy. Request the winners to stay back. And the first place for 6 to 7 year boys goes to Akhil Beg. Yeah. Trophy uta. Yeah. They have to start. They look very cute. Nishka Singh, a consolation event was conducted for her. Claps, guys. The trophies to the winners of 8 to 9 years boys. Third place goes to Akim. Second place goes to Shreyansh Ekaksha. first place goes to Krish, 8 to 9 years boys. Krish, who also flies on cycle. Claps guys, claps. Appreciation is important. Sri Jagannath Garu to present the consolation prize as well. Congratulations, claps guys. The parent also gets the credit for getting the kids all the way from Mitchell. 10 to 11 year boys. Third place goes to Bitstein. Yes. Second place goes to Daniel. And the winner of 10 to 11 year boys, Shashank Reddy. 12 to 15 year boys. Third place goes to Paridweep. Second place goes to Bharat Sai. And the winner of 12 to 14 year boys, Shashwat Singh. We can really count on them for the upcoming state road meet as well. Third place goes to Mary. Second place goes to Srigda. And the winner of girls event goes to Akarshana. Claps. From the age group of 12 to 14, we conducted an event for them as well. Third place goes to Vignesh. Second place goes to Shiva. And the winner in this age group, Shrutik. Shrutik is also winner of Under 14 MTB, XCO and XCT. Congratulations to the winners. Second place goes to Smriti from Coimbatore. Ratnika, winner of 12 to 14 years girls. We wish you all the best. Congratulations. Our academy gets the best cycling academy for the year 2020. And I would like to call upon Shri, our Honorable Chief Guest, Shri P. Mallareddy Garu, and the General Secretary of Telangana Cycling Association, Dattatreya Garu, to present the Best Cycling Academy Award for 2020 to Maxwell Trevor Cycling Welfare Association. Now I call upon, this is not just one individual achievement, it's a team achievement. The academy gets, it's because of the riders, the members, and the stakeholders. I request everyone to gather at the stage, all the riders of academy, members of the academy, to immediately sprint. Of the riders from Andaman and Nicobar have come here to train under Dr. Maxwell Trevor Cycling Welfare Association. I would like to call upon all the three riders who have come here for the upcoming Track National Championship to train under Dr. Maxwell Trevor. In spite of having a velodrome in Andaman and Nicobar, Port Blair, they chose to come all the way to Telangana, SATS Velodrome, to train under Dr. Maxwell Trevor. Very nice. Wish you all the best, Smriti, for your future endeavors.
Can everybody please clap for Pasha? He's our main man in our organization here. He does all the hard work.